Realigning consciousness with School of Unlearning. Walking amidst the all-embracing Mother Nature, I gaze at the beauty around me. Mother Nature, in all its pristine presence, accepts me in its fold with loving care. All my stress of the city life, the busy roads, the honking city traffic is completely forgotten as I trudge down the mountain path over dry, cracking leaves, accompanied by the chirping of the birds and the cold wind chilling my face. My body in sync with nature, my mind in a state of solace, and my consciousness humbly calibrated. The tall, dark mountains wearing white pious robes in the far distance, overlooking the green-coated hills like a guardian. The green mountains have a detached, mighty presence, yet tender and sheltering. They are humble, yet they overpower everything in their vicinity. The narrow path is so small, yet it cuts its way through the woods and stones to reach a destination. It reminds us that we can also carve our own path in the face of challenges. We may think that the mountains shelter the nature, but look at these trees and bushes that bind the mountain together and keep it strong. Life is mutual. But as humans, let me remind you, nature can find balance without us. We can't do without nature, but nature can do without us. It's imperative that we respect her and preserve her. Nature is like a forgiving mother, but it is not forever. If we need to live in sync with nature, we need to respect her. These tall trees are a witness to the vibrations of the forest. They silently transmit their essence in a silent service to all. I can touch it and it will heal my body, mind, and soul. The sky is the bluest ever. The clouds float in careless abandon, giving messages in their pattern. The night sky exposes the Milky Way like a hologram. Nature is always present, always welcoming, always loving. We only have to reach out to her. I came, I saw, I calibrated. Realigning consciousness with School of Unlearning.